Binomial expansions. Find the term independent of x and the middle term in the expansion of x by 2 plus 2 by x square whole power 12. So let's get started with the given expression. So the given expression is x by 2 plus 2 over x square power 12. Always when we require to find the term independent of x or the middle term or the term involving x power 5 or x power 10, we always start with the general term. So let's write down the general term. The general term is tr plus 1, so that we have 12 combination r into first term of the expression, which is x by 2, and its power would be index minus r, that would be 12 minus r, into second term, which is 2 over x square power r. This is what is called the general term. Let's write it as equation 1 so that we can refer it back. And now we are going to isolate x, therefore 12 combination r, and this would become x power 12 minus r divided by 2 power 12 minus r time 2 power r divided by x power 2r. This is what we get by separating the powers of the numerator and the denominator. So now we are going to add up powers wherever we can. So this is 12 combination r into x power 12 minus 3r. The reason this x power 2r in the denominator, when it moves to the numerator, its power gets added to 12 minus r. And in the denominator we have 2 power 12 minus 2r for the same reason. And now this, instead of that, we will call this as equation 1, probably because this is in more simplified form. In order to find the term independent of x, in order to find term independent of x, means we are required to find the term involving x power 0, which doesn't have x. So put whatever the power of x is, that equal to 0. 12 minus 3r equal to 0. This will give us 3r equal to 12, and the value of r will be equal to 4. And now we are going to substitute this value of r in equation 1. Substituting this value of r in equation 1, what we get is, because this is r is equal to 4, so this would be equal to 12 4 into x power 12 minus 12, 12 minus 3 times 4 divided by 12 minus 8 divided by 2 power 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. So this will give us the value 12 combination 4 time x power 0 over 2 power 4, and here if we eliminate, since x power 0 is equal to 1, therefore what we have is 1 over 16. 2 power 4 is equal to 16 time 12 factorial divided by 4 factorial multiplied by 8 factorial. So this is equal to 1 over 16 time 12 time 11 time 10 time 9 over 4 time 3 time 2 time 1. We certainly can simplify it, and whatever answer we get, that would be the answer for the given expression. And now we want to find the middle term. Example 2. In order to find the middle term, we actually look at the index. If index is even, let's make it a case 1. If n, the index, is even, then middle term is equal to n by 2 plus 1. That would be the middle term. So if n is equal to 12, then 12 by 2 equal to 6 plus 1. 7th term would be the middle term. If n is odd, case 2, if n is odd, then middle term is equal to n plus 1 by 2 term. In this case, because n is equal to 12, therefore the 7th term would be the middle term. So, since n is equal to 12, so second part of the example, given expression is equal to, it is x by 2 plus 2 by x square, x by 2 plus 2 by x square power 12. As n is equal to 12, so the middle term is equal to 7th term. And again we start writing the general term, or we can even write directly. The 7th term means t6 plus 1 equal to 12. 6 time first part of the expression, which is x by 2 power 12 minus 6 time 2 over x square power 6, or even we can write the value of r in the previous example as well, but this is 12c6 times x power 6 2 power 6 into 2 power 6 divided by x power 12. So this would be equal to 12c6 times 1 over x power 6. So this is required seventh term, or in other words is the middle term in the expansion of the given binomial expression.